Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to change any of the clothes color just in 1 second in your character creator tree. So in your character creator tree, as demo, I will just apply some of the cloth into the character. Next, I will apply a paint, a paint at here, apply a paint. This is a short pant. Now, you can see if I want to change the color here, I just need to click Q, press Q and double click the cloth. You should be able to see the diffuse color. Right click and click adjust color. You can just shift the hue here. It will immediately change the color's texture. Just in 1 second, you can change the color. Then close. Next, if you want to change the short pants color, you also just need to double click it. Then this is the base color. Right click and click adjust color, shift the hue, then you can change the color texture as well. Alright, just 1 second you can change the color. Alright, that's all for today. That's all for today about how to change any of the cloth in character creator tree CC3. Change the cloth to any color just in 1 second. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy happy animation and game developing. See you.